Hello, welcome to Only channel. Today I discover bacteria 3D app. So let's discover the world of bacteria together. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, this is the spherical bacteria, Melococcus. It's like a meatball. Wow. It's divided, become Diplococcus. Look like, I know what you think. It look like bacteria. Oh my god. Quite cute. Streptococcus. Streptococcus, not Staphylo. This is not Staphylococcus. Attached to the skin. Wow. It's kind of fun. You can twist it. You can zoom, pan, rotate it. No. Just begin to use. Just move faster. Okay, let's see. Okay, now Bacillus, rock-shaped bacteria, Vibrio. A little bit smaller, I think. Okay. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Wow! Amazing! Vibrio look like spiral. It's kind of spiral. Spirium. That's why it got its name. A little bit of flagella. Wow, it's much longer, like it's kind of spaghetti. Okay. It's like a macaroni, elongated one. Oh, now it's the structure inside. Whoa, it look like that Philip Stark, the orange squeezers, right? Like 3 legs and head. It's like spaceships. Oh, I cannot read you right now. Yeah. Oh, wow, this one is like a chocolate kind of chocolate cake, layer cake. Okay, difference between, I think it's a gram negative and gram positive. Oh, yeah. So the gram negative one would have like the lipid membranes. And then the gram positive one doesn't have it, and then kind of biggest polysaccharide. Wow, orange jellies, yummy. It's okay. This is more information. Coriander, Clara. Okay. What is it? Oh, rabies. Yes. Okay, which disease is caused by bacteria? Plagues, rabies, varicella, influenza. Varicella. Okay. Is it true that nitrogen-fixing bacteria often cause inflammation when they enter the human body? Yes, of course. Yes. Quick. Yes. Oh my god. Yes, that's correct. Is it true that bacteria are a single-cell organism? No. Yes. Which substance is the main constituent of bacteria cell wall? Peptidoglycan. Yes. Remember it. Yeah. Right. Which bacterium is not spherical? It's not spherical? What? Not spherical. Everything is Coccus, maybe Bacillus. Is it true that bacteria is a single cell organism? Yes. Wrong last time. What's the... Oh! I didn't hit it! Oh! What the hell? Which is not bacteria or disease? Syphilis? Hepatitis? I guess so wrong. What shape is the pathogen of tennis? Oh no. has the word anus in it?
I don't know. What the hell? Tetanus. Rot.
Right.
Okay, let's do it again.
Is it true that pathogen of tetanus produces toxins which cause harm? That's muscle spasm. Some. Boy.
Harmless. No. Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Why is it flaccid?
Oh no. Oh
Which
no.
is not bacterial disease.
Oh no no
Okay,
no no.
Right.
Oh no. Is it true that nitrogen fixing bacteria live in the roots of legumes?
I don't know.
Oh yes, because
it's help.
trees need nitrogen.
Trees.
Bacteria help providing them.
Is it true that bacteria are?
Is it true that bacteria are prokaryotes? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no 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 no.
Prokaryote.
No. Yeah. Quick. Quick.
Yes.
Oh, no, I'm wrong again.
Cheers, eukaryote.
Which is not a bacterial disease. Salmon. I can see salmon.
Sorry.
No, it's a salmonella. Salmon vanilla.
Yes, this is how I can do.
Whoa. Okay, let's see. What language can we try?
Many languages.
Wow, let's try one.
Let's try Mandarin.
Oh my god! Everything's in Chinese. Let's see. Chao. I can't read it. It's Chao Di. Oh my god.
Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotic microorganisms. They can be found everywhere on the planet. The ancestors of modern bacteria appeared on Earth about 3.5 billion years ago. The cytoplasm is the basis of a bacterium cell. It contains the genetic material, that is, the ring-shaped DNA. Unlike in eukaryotes, proteins are not attached to the DNA in prokaryotes. The cytoplasm is enclosed in the cell membrane. All bacteria have a cell wall. It is tough and rigid, and it is made from proteins and polysaccharides. It provides the cells with structural support and protection. Outside the cell wall is the capsule, which is made mainly from polysaccharides. It protects the cell and is responsible for the diseases caused by some bacteria in the host organism. Some bacteria are capable of active locomotion through the use of their flagella. Bacteria have an exceptional ability to adapt and reproduce, and this is why they are extremely widespread. They are capable of both sexual and asexual reproduction. If they reproduce through binary fission, which is a form of asexual reproduction, it results in a large number of individual bacteria cells. Bacteria occur in a wide range of shapes, including spheres, rods, and spirals. Spherical bacteria, which are called cocci, can occur as single cells, pairs, chains, or clusters. Many bacteria that produce suppurative infections or pneumonia are spherical. Gonorrhea is also caused by cocci. One group of rod-shaped bacteria are called bacilli. These can be harmless, such as the lactobacilli used in the food industry. Many bacilli cause diseases, like the pathogens of plague, tuberculosis, salmonellosis, and tetanus. Escherichia coli, which is commonly found in the human intestinal system, is also a bacillus. Syphilis, Lyme disease, and leptospirosis are caused by spiral-shaped bacteria. Gram staining is a method of differentiating bacteria into two groups, i.e., gram-negative and gram-positive. The basis of differentiation is that staining produces different results in the cell walls of different types of bacteria because of their different structure. The two types of bacteria react to antibiotics differently, so treating different bacterial infections requires different antibiotics.
Thank you everyone for watching today. I hope you enjoy learning more about bacteria. Please hit like, subscribe or comment. Take care and see you next time.